Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create line paper in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Word. Once you open Word, click on Insert and then you need to click on Table and click on Insert Table. And here you need to select number of column 1 and number of rows 60 and click on OK. So you can see that, and then you need to go into the table design or layout first, and you can click on select and click on select table. Once you select the table, then you need to go into the table design, and here you need to select borders, and first you need to click on no borders, and after that you need to click on inside borders, and here you can see the lines. You can make the style, so let me select this one, or you can select anyone according to your choice, and you can start writing here. So this is the process by which you can create line paper in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.